Hey guys, hope you're having a lovely week. I just made myself a cup of coffee. I needed a coffee fix in the middle of the afternoon. It's mid-afternoon, so I can get energy to shoot more videos. So I just showed you guys on the video how I make it, what I use, the products I use. I use an espresso machine, and here are the Nespresso pots. You can get them from the pots. You can get them from Coffee Fix Nairobi on Facebook. They're also at Village Supermarket. And if you want an espresso machine, whichever you want, the Coffee Fix guys can ship it for you and deliver at your doorstep. It usually takes between 14 to 21 days. And I have this here and one at home. In the video, also I've used almond milk because I don't do animal protein, so I used almond milk. But for sweetening, I use this new sweetener in the market. It's called Vestavia. It's proudly made in Kenya. It's all plant-based, gluten-free, all natural, it's vegan. And what I like about it is that it comes in this small sachet, so that minimizes your waste, but also it doesn't have that aftertaste that people usually get when you use the normal stevia drops, which is what I've been using, because I don't use stevia on coffee because of the aftertaste. I use it in smoothies. So I'm glad to have found a natural sweetener that works for me and doesn't have an aftertaste. You can find it at Healthy You guys. Try it, let me know what you think, and support products made in Kenya because it's proudly made in Kenya. I'd like to learn from you guys or to hear from you guys. What's your favorite coffee machine? What coffee do you use? How do you enjoy your coffee? And let me know the feedback if you ever go to Healthy You and buy the sweetener. And please kindly subscribe, share, like, and bye.